Hello everyone, welcome back to astrosportsprediction.com. Today we are going to analyze the match between Royal Challengers Bangalore versus Sunrisers Hyderabad. This match will be happen today in UAE at 7:30 pm. For winning prediction result, join with us on Telegram. The Telegram number will be available here. Let's review Sunrisers Hyderabad first. Sunrisers Hyderabad making their IPL debut in 2013. Sunrisers Hyderabad team has been surprising the fans of IPL with their spectacular performance. The team will be led by David Warner previously and this year also. Here are some facts about Sunrisers Hyderabad. They have played 109 matches but they have won only 58 matches. They lose 50 matches. No result will be one match. Highest total is 231 runs against Royal Challengers Bangalore. The most run scorer in this team is David Warner. He took 3,271 runs in 71 innings. The most wicket taker in this team is Bhuvanesh Kumar. He took 109 wickets in 86 innings. Highest score by David Warner, which is 126 runs. Best bowler figure in this team is Bhuvanesh Kumar. He took 5 wickets for 19 runs against Kings 11 Punjab. Here you can see the Sunrisers Hyderabad team statistics for the entire IPL seasons. They have won Champions Trophy in 2016. At the time they have taken 64.7% success rate, and 2018 they taken runner-up, and they have entered 3 times playoff, which is in 2013 and 17 and 2019. Their overall performance is 54%. Next, Royal Challengers Bangalore. Royal Challengers Bangalore have got some of the world's best players in their team, and they have got massive fan base all over the world and India. And Virat Kohli going to lead this team in IPL 2020. Let's see what will happen, and we hope the RCB fans will get treat from this IPL 2020. Here are some interesting facts about Royal Challengers Bangalore. Royal Challengers Bangalore have played 172 matches, but they have won only 79 matches. 87 matches they have lost. No result matches is 6. Highest total by the team is 263 runs against Pune Warriors India. Most run scorer in this team is Virat Kohli. He took 5,412 runs in 169 innings. Most wicket taker in this team is Chahal. Chahal took 100 wickets in 82 innings. The team statistics will show us RCB have entered IPL final for 2 times in 2019 and 2011, and 2 times they have entered into playoffs. By the bad luck, they didn't get any IPL Champions trophies yet. I think this year they will fight back and grab the Champions Trophy. Here you can see the top 3 players of RCB and SRH in IPL 2020. RCB versus SRH. AB de Villiers versus Ian Mohan, and Aaron Finch versus Manish Pandey. Umesh Yadav versus Bhuvanesh Kumar. And we can see here, based on the last 5 matches, the statistics we have taken, average total score is 142 runs and average first inning score is 146. From the stats we can clearly see that the team who won the toss, they will take bowl first 100%. Okay, and then the team who takes bowl first will win the match 100%. This is the clear statistics we can get from previous matches, and you can see here the 2 teams play last 5 matches derived by how many matches they have won and how many matches they have lost and how many matches no result are shown here. SRH has won only 1 matches in last 5 matches, and RCB won 3 matches in last 5 matches. And finally, you can see the winning probability between the two teams is 50-50. There will be chance either they will win RCB nor Sunrisers Hyderabad. In this video, we have given only technical part of the match analysis. If you need pure astrology result, please contact us in Telegram channel. The Telegram channel link is available in description, and you can find our website www.astrosportsprediction.com. These both link is available in description. Please find the links in description. Thank you.